Management System, Unit number 6, Fundamentals of Database Transaction Processing. Content, NoSQL categories, production deployment, and summary. So first we see NoSQL categories. There are 4 general types of NoSQL databases. First one is key value stores, second is columns oriented, third is graph, fourth is document oriented. So we'll see one by one. Key value stores. Key value stores are most basic types of NoSQL databases designed to handle huge amounts of data. Based on Amazon Dynamo paper, key value stores allow developer to store schema-less data. In the key value storage, database stores data as hash table where each key is unique and the value can be string, JSON, blob. A key may be strings, hashes, lists, sets, sorted sets, and the values are stored against these keys. So let's take an example here. A key value pair might consist of key like name that is associated with the value like Robin. Row store, column store. Here ID, name, city, country, order number. Okay, so you are stored in a row wise. In column store, it will store as per column. In a row store, easy to add or modify a record. Might read in a unnecessary data. Okay, so it will read the exact data in a row by row. In a column store, only need to read in a relevant data. Tuple writes require multiple access. Suitable for read mostly, read intensive, and large data repositories. Okay, so these are two stores. Key value store, database, table supplier, and this is a table order. So here ID 1, name, city is New York, country is USA, order number is OID 006. This is a row wise. Okay, so order ID OID 0056, cost 250 USD, item quantity 2450, item quantity 2560. Okay, so like this we can store the key value in a row. Okay, so column oriented databases primarily work on columns and every column is treated individually. Values of single column are stored continuously. Column stores data in column specific files. In column stores, query processors work on columns too. All data within each data file have the same type, which makes it ideal for comparison. Compression. Column stores can improve the performance of queries as it can access specific column data. High performance on aggregation queries. So like example, count, sum, average, minimum, and max. So let's see this is a column store. So here again database of table is supplier and the order. So here ID, name, address, city, country, order number. So here we store in a column store. Graph databases. A graph data structure consists of finite set of order pairs called edges or arcs of certain entities called the nodes or vertices. So following picture presents a label graph, 0 vertices and 7 edges. So in the figure, the 6 vertices are connected using the 7 edges, right? So each are connected and we can travel from one vertex to another vertices. What is graph database? A graph data stores data in a graph. It is capable of elegantly representing and kind of data in a highly accessible way. A graph database is a collection of nodes and edges. Each node represents an entity and each edge represents a connection or relation between two nodes. Every node and edge is defined by unique identifier. Each node known as its adjacent nodes. As the number of nodes increases, the cost of local step remains the same. Index of lookups. Okay, so this is about the graph database. Here is a comparison between the classic relational and model and the graph model. In a classic relational model, tables, rows, columns, relational model, and joins. In a graph model, vertices and edge sets, vertices, key value pairs, graph model, and the edges. So these are the two different models. Example of graph database: OrientedDB, Neo04j, Titan, etc. Pictorial representation. So here Carl Bennett and Paul Mount. So this is about the graph database, how we can store in a graph designs, right? So name, city, country, name, again we are starting with the name following of. So here recent order ID, we can fetch it off using the name. Okay, so here is order ID, ORD 0056, cost is $250. So here we have two items for this one order. So item quantity 1 2450, type is toys. So item quantity 2 2560, type is dress. So like this we can store the data of the related person or a order ID. Document oriented database, a collection of documents. Data in this model is stored inside documents. A document is a key value collection where the key allows access to its value. Documents are not typically forced by a scheme and therefore are flexible and easy to change. Documents are stored into collections in order to group different kinds of data. Documents can contain many different key value pairs or key array pairs or even nested documents. Comparison between the classical relational model and the document model. Here again, in a relational models, tables; in document model, collections. Relational model, rows; document model, documents. Relational model, columns; document model, key or value pairs. Relational model, joins; document model, not available. So example of document oriented database are MongoDB, CouchDB. So practical representation: document store databases, ID 1, name, Bob, address, order. Okay, so it will store each record in a document format. Okay, so in a separate files. So ID 2, name, Jack, address is Paris, San France, order number is ORD 005. So using order ID we can fetch the order details, right? So here see, so 0056 order, so we have a order in order table we get the order ID 0056, cost is $250, item quantity is 2450, item quantity 2 is 2560. So like this we can fetch the related information over the order. So next is the production deployment. There are a large number of companies using NoSQL. To name a few: Google, Mozilla, Adobe, Foursquare, LinkedIn. So these are the sorry. So LinkedIn, Dig, McGraw Hill Education, Vermont Public Radio. So these are the large number of companies using NoSQL. Okay. So next is the production deployment. Summary. NoSQL categories: 4 general types of NoSQL database. Key value: first is key value stores, column oriented, graph, document oriented, and next is the production deployment. Thank you.